Hi friends, today let's learn about geography of India, its size and location, and question and answers. So, between what latitudes and longitudes does India lie? So, answer is India's mainland extends between latitudes, that is the horizontal lines on the earth, imaginary horizontal lines on earth, that's 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. So India extends between these two latitudes, and longitudes it extends between 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So approximately between 8 degrees north and 37 degrees north latitude, and approximately between 68 degrees east longitude and 97 degrees east longitude. This is the location. Which latitudes divides India almost into two equal halves? The answer is the Tropic of Cancer, which is approximately 23 degrees north latitude, exactly 23 degrees 30 minutes north latitude, divides the country into two equal parts. What are the islands surrounding mainland India? So we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands situated southeast of mainland in Bay of Bengal, and we have Lakshadweep Islands which are situated southwest of mainland in Arabian Sea. Which was the southernmost point that got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during tsunami? So the point was called Indira Point. That was the location which got submerged underwater due to tsunami in 2004. How much is the land area and land boundary of India? So India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, it is the 7th largest country in the world by area, and India has a boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, and only a part of it is coastline. Coastline means that is which is next next to the sea, border which is next to the sea. Coastline is about 7,516.6 kilometers. Which is the longitude is taken as the standard time for India? So the standard meridian of India, that is the longitude 82 degrees 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for India. Which country has the longest coastline in Indian Ocean? India, which is having the longest coastline in Indian Ocean, which is why the ocean is named after India. When was Suez Canal opened, and by how much did it reduce the sea route to India? So Suez Canal was opened in 1869, and it reduced India's distance from Europe on sea route by 7,000 kilometers. What were some of the products and knowledge shared by India with rest of the world? So the knowledge that was shared were Upanishads, Ramayana, and stories of Panchatantra. In mathematics, Indian numerals and decimal system were shared, and in products we had spices which were shared, and muslin, which is a kind of cotton which is weaved, was shared, and the other merchandise. Which are neighboring countries for India? So we have Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. We have China, Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north. We have Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, and we have Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. So these are our neighbors. Choose the right answer from the four alternatives given below. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. So which of the four states the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through? Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Tripura. It turns out that it does not pass through Odisha. Okay, easternmost longitude of India is whether it is 97 degrees, 77 degrees, 68 degrees, 82 degrees. So we already studied that India lies between 68 degrees east and 97 degrees east longitudes, right? So the easternmost longitude is definitely 97 degrees 25 minutes east. Okay, and the next question is Uttarakhand, UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have a common frontiers with which country? Whether it's China, Nepal, Bhutan, or Myanmar. If you look at the map, you can see Nepal is sharing borders with Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. So the answer is Nepal. If you intend to visit Karavati during summer vacations, which of the following union territories in the India would you be going to? Puducherry, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu. So the answer is Lakshadweep because Karavati is an island, one of the islands in Lakshadweep. Identify the country which does not share a land boundary with India: Bhutan, Bangladesh, Tajikistan, or Nepal. See, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh all share the borders with us. Only Tajikistan doesn't share a border. Okay, so that is the answer. So the answers are, for first one it's Odisha, for the second one it is 97 degrees 25 minutes east, third answer is Nepal, and fourth answer is Lakshadweep, and fifth answer is Tajikistan. Answer the following questions briefly. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Name the countries which are larger than India. Which island group lies to the southeast of India? Which island countries are our southern neighbors? So the answer is, name the group of islands that lie in the Arabian Sea. It is Lakshadweep. And the name of countries which are larger than India in area are Russia, USA, Canada, Australia, Brazil, and China. And which island group lies to the southeast? It's Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And which island countries are our southern neighbors? They are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but watches the show at the same time. How does this happen? This is because India follows a common time throughout the country based on standard meridian passing through Mizapur in UP. Okay, so that is why in all states and all cities of India we have the common time based on this meridian. Okay, so that's why we all watch shows on the same time. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? See, the many sea routes via Indian Ocean which connect Africa and Europe to all other Asian countries are using ports in India. So that is why India's location is important.
We have thoroughly studied, digested, thought about, and simplified the concepts for you. So please like, share, and subscribe.